Here's my honest review of NuNerve. If you've been dealing with nerve discomfort, tingling, or sensitivity, this might be one of the most important videos you watch today. Most people don't realize this, but nerve discomfort often builds slowly. You feel a little sensitivity, then more stiffness, then a drop in overall comfort. And it becomes part of your daily life without you noticing. By the time people look for solutions, they're tired of feeling limited. They want stability, clarity, and the ability to move through their day without constant reminders from their nervous system. So what makes NuNerve different? It's the first nano supplement designed specifically to support nerve fibers. This alone sets it apart from traditional formulas. Traditional supplements often have poor absorption. Your body simply doesn't use most of what's inside. NuNerve uses nanotechnology to increase absorption before digestion even begins. The formula includes ingredients studied in university research from respected institutions. It's built around science-backed nutrients known for supporting nerve wellness. You get whole coffee fruit for BDNF support, PEA for healthy inflammatory responses, B vitamins for nerve fiber maintenance, R-alpha lipoic acid, lion's mane, and organic curcumin longa. A complete nerve support stack. Imagine your nervous system like a highway of communication. When that highway lacks maintenance, signals slow down. NuNerve offers nutrients that help support smoother, steadier communication. User experiences vary, but many report improved comfort, better clarity, and a calmer, more stable daily feeling. It's not a miracle solution, but it's meaningful support. Let's be clear, NuNerve doesn't work overnight, and it doesn't fix medical conditions. It's designed to support, protect, and nourish, not replace professional care. It's ideal for people wanting proactive nerve support, desk workers, older adults, athletes, people under constant stress, or anyone feeling their nervous system isn't at its best. The routine is simple. Take it once a day, ideally in the morning. Consistency matters far more than timing. Simple, practical, sustainable. As with many trending supplements, fake versions exist. To stay safe, always purchase through the official link I've provided. That guarantees you get the authentic nano formula. 3 big questions. Will it work instantly? No. It's a gradual support supplement. Is it safe? Yes, when used as directed, but always check with your healthcare provider. Is it worth the routine? If nerve comfort matters to you, absolutely. Because NuNerve uses specialized nano processing, production batches are smaller. That means availability can fluctuate. When it's in stock, it's typically the best moment to order. Pairing NuNerve with small lifestyle changes, better sleep, hydration, movement, can amplify the results. Think of it as part of a bigger nerve wellness strategy. If you want to try NuNerve for yourself, you'll find the official link in the description. Support your nerve comfort today and feel the difference over time.